Hi everyone, this is Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite recipes, a Tex-Mex sorghum chili. It features whole grain sorghum, which is a really nutrient-rich ancient grain that's grown right here in the United States. It's packed with all sorts of nutrition, such as plant proteins, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and even antioxidant compounds. That's why it's linked with a lower risk of certain chronic diseases. It's a really good idea to eat more whole grains such as sorghum in your diet every single day, as you can cut your risk of things like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and more. So this recipe is completely plant-based, featuring sorghum, black beans, green bell pepper, chopped onions, fire-roasted canned tomatoes, frozen sweet corn, chopped celery, minced garlic, tomato paste, vegetable broth, and Mexican seasoning blend. And it's super easy to make. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make that recipe right now. So here we have it, our Tex-Mex sorghum chili is all done. It's so delicious and versatile. I love to serve it with some fresh cilantro, tomatoes, some green onions and avocado slices. Your whole family will love it. They can just serve it the way they like it. You can get this recipe and other plant-based recipes at aicr.org and sharonpalmer.com.